Hey guys, today I decided to show you how to play on Master of Puppets by Metallica off the Master of Puppets album. But first thing you gotta know is standard tuning: E, A, D, G, B, E. It's a standard tuning, and I'll play it for you right now, and then I'll show you how to play it in chunks. So that's pretty much the song right there. Um, so I'll show you just this part right now, which is the power chord on the 7 and the 9 of the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. Let me scoot up. Let me scoot the camera out a little bit. Slide down a full step to the 5 and 7. Half step, half step. So just in singles, but you do a power chord, I'll show you the single notes. The deepest, which is the bass note. All of them are power chords, so 2 open, palm muted. So I'm gonna get super close to the camera. 2 palm mutes. 2 palm mutes. So what that is 2 open on the 6, 2 palm muted opens on the 6, 7 on the 5th, 2 more opens, go slide down to the 6th of the 5th string, 2 more opens, power chord on the 5, just go down 3 half steps. And then this part is so I'll go over it all again. So power chord 7, 9. This part I haven't gone over yet, but it's all on the 6th string. Starts on the 7th, so 2 opens. 2, 2, or 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 6. So 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2. So you can either slide or you can just So that's pretty much that part, and then this next part, it looks super hard. I'll play that part. So what that part is an open on the 6, 2, 0, 2, go down to your 5th string, 3, the only thing you change is this note, so every time when you start repeat, it just goes. For the last time you do it. So you basically do it twice, but after you're done going back down, you go. So 0, 2 of the 6. On the 5th string, 3. 0, 2 on the 6 again. 4. Power chord formation almost. 0, 2 again, 5. Back to 3. 2 on that. And 3, 2. Slide down to 3, 2. From 3 to 2. On the 6 power chord. So, you know, I'll play it slow and you can kind of try to play with me before I end the video. So. So that's pretty much that part. And I'll play it fast so you know how it should sound when it's done. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe.